Leo was a student at Greenfield High School. He lived in a small house with his family, his mother, father, and two sisters. Every morning, Leo walked to school with his best friend Ben. They always talked about their favorite sport, soccer. One day, the coach of the school team made an announcement. We will have a big game next Friday. The winning team will get a special trophy and free tickets to see the national team play in London. Leo was excited. He loved soccer more than anything. He practiced every day after class, kicking the ball in the field behind the library. He imagined the loud cheers from the crowd and the shining lights of the stadium. The idea of victory filled him with joy. That evening, Leo told his family about the game. His sisters clapped and his father said, "We believe in you, Leo." His mother smiled and made his favorite dinner, chicken with rice and green beans. The next few days were busy. Leo and his teammates trained hard. They ran drills, practiced passing, and talked about their strategy. The team was like a family. Everyone helped each other and shared the same goal, to win. Finally, Friday came. The schoolyard buzzed with students, teachers, and parents. The principal gave a short speech, then the whistle blew. The game began. The other team was strong, but Leo's team worked together. Ben scored the first goal. Leo blocked two big shots. With only 1 minute left, the score was tied. Leo passed the ball to Ben, who kicked it straight into the net. The crowd jumped up. "Goal!" everyone shouted. The coach ran onto the field. "We did it!" he cried. That night, Leo's team received the golden trophy. Everyone clapped. Leo felt proud, not just because they won, but because they played as one team. Later, Leo sat with his family in the living room, holding the trophy. He looked at their smiling faces and thought, "This is what makes me happy. Teamwork, support, and love." Nouns used, categorized. Common nouns: student, house, ball, dinner. Field proper nouns: Leo, Ben, Greenfield High School. London abstract nouns: joy, victory, teamwork, love. Support collective nouns: team, crowd, family, classmates, teammates. Leo didn't just win the game, he grew with his team. Learning English is the same. Practice with others, stay focused, and celebrate every small win. Just like teamwork, language grows with effort and support.